I cannot believe that this is where we're sleeping tonight. How beautiful is that? We are doing something that we don't often do, which is actually plan our weekend getaways. When we go away, sometimes we just go and then figure it out. But since we are doing car camping for 2 nights, we wanted to do some ahead of time planning just to know where we could eat, what kind of food we could take out, obviously most importantly, whether there's coffee, but also, you know, because we have a dog, like what do we do?
Okay, so I've just arrived at our grocery store and I'm looking for snacks for this weekend. So let's go to King Soopers and see what they have. Woo! Okay, I'm back. I grabbed some snacks. It was very hard to not get snacks that were super unhealthy. Like I certainly oogled the Pop-Tarts a lot. So I decided to get Quest cookies instead. I figured that would be a much healthier mid or early morning snack. All right, now I'm gonna go home. Next time I see you will probably be the day that we leave. Bye.
Ooh! Our bear container is here. Do you want to see what's inside? Oh my god. You know what this reminds me of? Did you ever have those little containers as a kid that used to hang from like the cord, and it was like the waterproof containers that like you'd put your IDs and stuff in that you'd like unscrew in the middle? That's what this looks like. Well, that's a pretty good size. Here, to give you a comparison for size. This is a 40-ounce water bottle.
We just finished running some errands, and now it's time to go to the mountains and do some car camping.
So excited.
We were there yesterday.
Yay, pizza!
Here comes the tunnel. Right on top of the Eisenhower Tunnel is Loveland Ski Resort. It's one of our favorite places to go. Nothing is worse than being in traffic trying to go up to the Eisenhower Tunnel.
In the stick shift.
Puppy cam. Puppy cam. And a happy dog. Pretty.
And I'm getting a little bit hungry, so we pulled off of this overlook for Dillon Lake. We're gonna have a bit of sushi that we picked up from King Soopers, and we're gonna continue on to Leadville, which is about an hour away from here.
All right, so coming up here, where my finger is, this little pullout, this is Clinton Gulch Reservoir, where we went hiking earlier this year.
We made it to Leadville.
Did. Oh, melons. Oh my god. What is this? This is the line from Melanzana?
Wow.
Why?
Oh, the place should be around here.
Which one?
The Cuban place.
Oh.
Because there's the bank. So it should be right around the corner.
Oh,
right
here it is. Bucci.
Gucci, we're going there.
It's currently closed.
We're about to go find some BLM land.
Alright, I think we've made it.
BLM is the Bureau of Land Management. The government is managing land. I keep on using the word purchase, but they're managing land that's available for people to park on and they can go camping on at no cost.
Amen for all-wheel drive.
Oh my god.
I don't know how you can get up there. Need to fire here though. I mean, obviously you can camp here, but I don't know if these are all camp like prepaid.
These gotta be like prepaid spots.
Because there's like a campground, but oh, this is how they made it up there.
So we have a choice but to go here also.
Hey, if they can make it up there, we can make it up there. And they're definitely really comes up.
We're sleeping here tonight. Did you wait to sleep with me tonight?
I'm gonna die. Stay. Betsy, stay. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. You want to run. I do too.
So here we are.
Inside. Come on. You can't make a run for it.
Anyone, someone save me.
Come here. You ready?
Hey, how are we looking at the camera?
All right, backing up the car because we want a better view for bedtime. So we got here at the campsite. Still can't believe what a great spot we got. And the drive was pretty easy. There was a little bit of traffic leaving the Denver area, but for the most part, it was really smooth. We stopped in Silverthorne to have dinner part 1 and then drove all the way down. And surprisingly, we still have cell service, which I was not expecting.
Yeah, I was definitely expecting to be middle of nowhere. And it's like, we got full service here. And we're just like, it's crazy.
And we found this great spot, which is called Twin Lakes Dispersed. We were looking for BLM Land, and we ended up finding this free campground, which is way better than the spot that we had scoped out because we've got these amazing mountain views with water views. So it was pretty easy to find a great spot.
Yeah, we just drove around and there's no one here, so we like just parked and ta-da.
The only thing we forgot is to bring bug spray because there's a ton of little bugs. But other than that, we're just gonna settle in for the night.
Yeah, and have dinner part 2.